War has changed: robotic dogs with rifles, tanks without crews, ships with no sailors, and drones that think for themselves. This isn't science fiction, it's the battlefield of tomorrow, and it's already here. Let's start with something straight out of a dystopian sci-fi thriller, the Ghost Robotics Vision 60. At first glance it might look like a mechanical dog, but don't be fooled. This four-legged machine is a battlefield companion unlike anything we've seen before. Built for rugged terrain, unpredictable environments, and silent patrolling, the Vision 60 moves with unsettling agility. It can climb stairs, walk over rubble, and recover its balance even when shoved. But what truly sets it apart isn't just its movement, it's its purpose. This robotic soldier can be fitted with high-resolution cameras, sensors, payload modules, and yes, even weapons. In fact, recent demonstrations showed it equipped with a rifle mount, capable of targeting threats with terrifying accuracy. Imagine a squad of these robotic sentinels deployed at the front lines, never needing sleep, never getting tired, and always collecting data in real time. Whether it's surveillance missions in enemy territory or support in high-risk zones, the Vision 60 acts like a loyal, unblinking scout that can go where humans can't. And it's not some far-off prototype. This thing is real, functional, and already being tested by the United States military. Watching it walk beside soldiers, completely autonomous, gives off serious 2090 vibes, as if the lines between machine and soldier are starting to blur. Now let's roll into one of the most intimidating machines to ever hit the battlefield, the T-14 Armata main battle tank, Russia's leap into futuristic armored warfare. Just one glance at this monster tells you it wasn't built to blend in, it was built to dominate. Unlike traditional tanks, the T-14 is designed around an unmanned turret, meaning no crew sits inside the most dangerous part of the vehicle. Instead, the crew is safely housed within an armored capsule deep in the hull, protected from direct hits and explosions. The turret itself is fully automated and can detect, track, and engage enemy targets using advanced radar and thermal imaging systems, all with minimal human intervention. This makes the T-14 not only smarter but far deadlier than its predecessors. With a 125mm smoothbore cannon that can fire guided missiles and next-gen armor that's rumored to resist top-attack munitions, the T-14 might just be the first true AI-assisted predator on tracks. It even features active protection systems that can intercept incoming projectiles mid-air, like a shield from a video game brought to life. Its sleek exterior, powerful engine, and digitized combat systems give it a look and feel that's closer to something you'd expect on a Martian battlefield in the 22nd century than rolling through Earth's deserts or tundras today. This isn't just a tank. It's a glimpse into how machines will fight wars long after human soldiers are gone from the front lines. If the T-14 Armata is a brutal powerhouse, then the BAE Systems Black Knight is its ghostly cousin. Silent, stealthy, and remote-controlled from miles away. This robotic combat vehicle is honestly rewriting the rulebook for mechanized warfare, taking the concept of unmanned ground vehicles to a whole new level. The Black Knight may look like a compact tank, but under the hood lies something far more advanced. It's equipped with autonomous navigation, target recognition, and tactical decision-making algorithms that allow it to scout, patrol, and engage enemies with minimal input from a human operator. That's right, this machine can identify hostile threats, aim, and fire all on its own. Designed for urban warfare and remote missions too dangerous for human troops, the Black Knight can sneak into war zones, collect intelligence, and eliminate threats without risking a single life. It comes armed with a 30mm cannon and a coaxial machine gun, packing enough firepower to hold its own against heavily armed foes. But what makes it truly futuristic is its brain. An advanced AI system that processes complex combat data in real time, giving it the ability to learn and adapt as it moves through the battlefield. Watching it maneuver through tight alleyways or across rubble-strewn terrain feels like watching a drone merge with a tank, engineered for a war no human has yet seen. It's a chilling but fascinating reminder of where military robotics is heading, and how far it's already come. Now imagine a warship gliding silently across the ocean with no crew aboard, no captain, no lookout, just pure artificial intelligence steering through the waves. That's exactly what the Sea Hunter represents, a revolutionary unmanned surface vessel developed by DARPA and the United States Navy that might just be the beginning of a new naval era. With its sleek, trimaran design stretching over 130 feet long, the Sea Hunter looks less like a traditional ship, and more like something that belongs in a futuristic alien fleet. But this vessel isn't just for show. It was built with a deadly purpose: to track and trail enemy submarines across vast ocean territories for months at a time, completely autonomously. That means it can operate day and night, through storms and hostile waters, without a single human hand on the wheel. Its onboard AI can navigate crowded sea lanes, dodge obstacles, and maintain precise patrol routes, all while staying undetected. But here's where it really steps into 2090 territory. It has the potential to be armed in future variants, transforming it from a silent tracker to a fully autonomous hunter. And since it doesn't require life support systems, it's cheaper, faster, and far more expendable than traditional ships. The Sea Hunter isn't just a tool, it's a signal of what's to come. A fleet of unmanned, intelligent ships that could patrol our oceans like robotic sharks, always watching, always calculating, and never needing rest. Watching this thing glide across the water is like seeing the future of naval warfare unfold in real time. Soaring high above the battlefield, silent and nearly invisible to radar, the XQ-58A Valkyrie stealth drone is perhaps the most dramatic symbol of what 2090-style air warfare might look like today. Designed by Kratos Defense for the United States Air Force, this sleek winged drone isn't your average UAV, it's a loyal wingman, built to fly alongside manned fighter jets like the F-35, but capable of taking on high-risk missions solo. What makes the Valkyrie so groundbreaking isn't just its futuristic shape or stealth features, it's the intelligence inside. This drone is controlled by advanced AI, enabling it to respond to threats, change course, jam enemy radars, or even sacrifice itself to protect human pilots, all without needing a second of hesitation. It can launch missiles, perform electronic warfare, and scout enemy positions while staying undetected. Built to be fast, disposable, and deadly, the XQ-58A changes the game by shifting risk away from human pilots and placing it in the hands of cold, calculated algorithms. It's also significantly cheaper than traditional fighter jets, meaning multiple Valkyries can be deployed together in coordinated swarms, like a pack of robotic wolves in the sky, operating in perfect sync. Watching one launch from a remote airstrip, ascend like a phantom into the atmosphere, and disappear into the clouds feels like a scene from a future war film, but it's real, it's operational, and it's redefining the skies. In a world where human and machine fight side by side, the Valkyrie is the silent guardian of the air, always ready to strike first and vanish before the enemy even knows what hit them.